now in the Lanyang Museum.
请将手提行李放在上方行李箱。
New day, new vlog. Day 3 in Taiwan, and we have a tour, a Yilan tour. This is a museum, a farm, and a lake tour. So this is an 1 hour and a half from Similin. So abangan guys. Maulan ngayon sa Taiwan. So tingnan natin what will happen sa tour natin. We are with some parang Makati lang to guys. Medyo ma-traffic, konting traffic. And sana tuloy-tuloy mamaya paglabas namin dito. We are here at Wang Farm in Taiwan.
安全距离，不要被它走到了。那等下如果说你，因为我们第3区的话是阶梯，如果大家不方便过去的话，可以直接从这边出园都没有关系。好，好。
Hello. Yes, we are in the farm. Wow. Pwede magpakain. Ito daw. One. Wala, yan na. Give one, give one. Pag may dahon.
Okay, Momo. Ganyan pala yung may tubig.
那边是比较小型的动物，对，这边都比较大型的，对，泰迪羊啊那一些，然后那边有牛，然后那边有罐头，那边都是比较小型的，比如说象龟啊、沙皮象那一些，小型的那一些，可以看一下。
Little horse. You like Patrick, baby? A sheep. No food. Ano kayo? Same color with Patrick. Oy. Hello, goat. Pig. I super like this, guys. Ang galing. What's that? Goat? Is that a goat? Ah, okay. Oh, very nice. Oh. like Patrick? You like the lambing of Patrick? Yes, foreigners are coming in. Mauna kami kanina. Now let's go. Bye! So this is our ticket here in the farm and it comes with snacks also. Ayan, so natapos na kami mag-ikot dito sa farm and sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga to. This is a 1 hour and a half travel from the city pero sobrang worth coming here. Maraming salamat at marami pa kami iikutan. See you! Let's go! Nandito na kami sa lake at grabe ang lamig guys. Sobra. Ikot ulit kami dito. Very cold. Duck. Lumilipad pa nga.
Bird pala, bird.
Yan gawin natin. Ay, pero nung nag-zoo tayo, wala talagang ganito pat, no? Uy, kainan siguro yan. Yan
Saka
niya.
may ahas. Yan o.
Sobrang laki nitong lake na to.
Sorry.
Madami din pala nag-rent ng car. Grabe ang laki nitong lake. And guys, beware ha, may unggoy at may ahas. At your own risk. At baka feeling ko mayroon ding buwaya. Baka nasundan kami dito. Pinapasyal ko kayo dito sa lake. Isa sa Taiwan. And sobrang ganda. Worth na worth talaga yung aming pagpunta dito sa Taiwan. Thank you. Thank you for the gift of life and everything. Nagtataka ako, ano kaya tong dalawang to? Kanina pa to lumalangoy. And na-preserve talaga nila yung forest. Yan, pwede mag-rent ng boat sa mga gusto mag-boating. Wow, ganito kalaki to. Nakaka-amaze. So, naikot na namin ang buong lake. Yan, mga 15 minutes na ikot lang. Pero nag-drive talaga kami. So, yun yung sobrang another experience today na worth it talaga. So, this trip ay talagang worth na Happy New Year for me, Happy New Year for us. Ayan. Thank you guys for supporting my channel from Taiwan. We are now in the Lanyang Museum. This is the QR code if may reservation ka na. And palagi silang Wi-Fi ready. Pagpasok mo pa lang. So it's the 100th-year anniversary of the National Museum. Going down, 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 down. Here's the outside of the museum. I think make sure talaga ng mga admin